Welcome back. I'm going to stick with navigation again this week. Do you ever have anything to look up but you don't want to lose the screen you're on in QuickBooks Online? Well, you're in luck because you can duplicate your tabs. So if I'm digging into a report, let's say my AR aging, and I take a look at Amy and I say, oh, here's 750 open, but I have a 750 payment over there. It's probably a missed payment. If I don't want to lose this page I'm at, I can right click and duplicate my tab, and this works on most any browser, has this function. And when I'm on my new tab, I just go to my customers, I look up whatever it is that I need to look up. Amy's over here. Look, I see 750 invoice. Here's a payment that's unapplied, probably a prepayment, never got applied to the invoice. I can just receive that payment here. And then when I go back, notice it's still showing like that, but because what you have to do is you have to either reload the page, or since I'm on a report, I can rerun the report just to get it to update what I did on the other tab. And we can see right here that it's all cleared up for me. This has been a lifesaver for me in the past. I'm regularly in 3 or 4 tabs trying to look into things, tie things out, make sure I have my head around what exactly is going on when an issue arises. So hope this helps you at some point. Thanks for watching.